Hello, this is called Sengotiar Peak or Sengotiar Malai. Malai means biggest mountain in Tamil. Oh, to come here, it's really a very tasking task. You have to trek for at least for 3 kilometers. Oh, in off-road condition, in hilly condition, we have to climb rocks to reach to see this beautiful view. Look at this view. Oh, mesmerizing, mind-blogging view of entire view of Mettupalayam, Karamadai. I can't down. Very, very dangerous. So if I slip from here, directly I go where I don't know. It's more than 2,500 meters above mean sea level. Oh, I have seen many peaks, but this is really astounding, mesmerizing, beautiful. Still my hands are a little bit shaking because of the view. My legs are also trembling but the view is worth. It's nobody there, nobody can come also, only boys, teenage fellows can reach here. Oh, beautiful it is, never can be explained in words, but it's very dangerous, very steep, that's all. This is the edge of the rock. If I take only few more steps I go down, so for safety reasons I'll be here itself, but really worth coming. Great experience, adventurous experience. Okay, fantastic. Okay, thank you. See the echo effect of this. Photo, video, all eduthu. Landscape திருப்பு.